I just need actually some hair. That's okay now. Okay, which one of these do you like? Do you like 6, 7? Or do you want others?
I like 6, 7.
Okay, you want 6, 7?
Yes, I want 6, 7.
Okay. Actually, it's not the theme of you. I'm going to pick number 1.
No, I want 6, 7.
Hi! Oopsies, let's just okay, that's all for now. Okay, let's do follow the stickers, not don't look at me. Follow the stickers. Can you just look at me? Okay, let's remove your sticker. Oh, sorry, this is just a filter. Okay, bye.